I'm doing a turmeric mask. Look at my forehead. Oh my god, it's time to wash it off. This is what we're starting with for the hair. And my hair has gotten quite long. I had to back up. Can't really tell because of my black shirt. But we are officially at bra strap length. So yeah, let's get to washing. So I have been loving the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo. It feels so good on my scalp. Of course, you want to have some clips ready, and of course, you want to have your music blasting, okay? Blasting, that is the way to have a good wash day, especially as my locks get longer.
She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga.
Not much has changed with the technique I use to wash my locks. I do wash in 4 sections now, but I still focus the shampoo at my roots, really use the pads of my fingers to like scrub in the shampoo at my roots, and then each and individual lock still gets a rundown with the shampoo as well. I feel like that is just the best way to get any product, lint, dirt, sweat out of each and every lock. If you feel like at the end of your wash your hair is still just not feeling clean, you should definitely try running the shampoo down each and every individual lock. It helps a lot.
These niggas, cause niggas is gay. All in my page, sucking dick. All of my comments are screaming my name while I'm in the club, doing them hundreds and fifties and ones. I smoke, they know I'm wildin'. If I'm on the island, I'm snatching the sail. Brody got locked, the night is pale. Until he free, I'm racing hell. Tell my shooters, call me FaceTime. For all the times we have to face out. 50 likes to do a state time. If you need the glizzy, you can take mine. You know I'm like that, I'll make a movie like TNT. Black 30 told me ashes really want it. I bet I air it like TNT. I live in my section, and I keep that 38 for the weapon. Remember when I came home for correction? All the bad bitches in my direction. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo.
And of course, you want to make sure that you are rinsing out each and every section really, really well to make sure that there's no leftover shampoo inside your locks. Locks are very easily prone to trapping in product, so you want to make sure that you take your time and really let the water run through. Make sure it's running clear before you get out of the shower. This is why I spend so much time in the shower and I be dancing around and stuff, but I really want to make sure that all of the shampoo is out before I step out of the shower. And I always do a little scalp check before I move on to styling, just to make sure that my scalp is really, really clean and I don't see any buildup, especially in the front where you would put edge control or, you know, extra oils and stuff. Make sure that all of it is gone. For styling today, I am using my holy grail, the Taliah Waajid tight hold. I use this on myself and my daughter. It is just the best lock gel that I have found. I really love it. I'm using jojoba oil. Of course, you need some clips and stuff like that. And then I don't think I showed it, but I also have some rubber bands. One thing that has changed in my routine is that I no longer put the oil on my scalp directly. I like to focus the oil on my ends and on my actual hair strand, like the actual lock, but I do not focus it on my scalp anymore. And that is due to my TSW. If you have not seen my other videos, I have been going through a lot of eczema and TSW problems. I have a whole playlist so you can check it out. But I just find that with working out, especially, I feel like the oil is just trapping excess heat onto my scalp and making it more itchy. So I do not put oil directly on my scalp anymore. The most I will do is just put a little bit of the herbal oil that I made myself, and I'll just focus that on my edges to keep my edges nice and strong.
Screw my name when I swag, boy, swag, hey, boy, swag, boy, swag, boy, swag, girls on my dick when I boy, swag, girl, screw my name when I boy, swag, get out the way, pretty boy coming through, me and my crew, we swaggin' in the room, girls on me heavy cause I look so sexy, yellow diamond shawty in the club straight flexing, I'm looking for a.
And who else friggin' loves these cocoa butter cooking shows. I'm obsessed. I will like binge watch these. I need to go on there myself because my cooking is really good, but they rarely have vegan episodes, so I don't know how that will work out.
Sway, sway, sway. All the girls are on me. Damn, everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy sway.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat it be like it's a
Y'all, my hair has gotten so long and I'm so thankful for all of the length that I've been retaining. However, I'm getting kind of bored with it at this length. It's kind of like in those in-between stages where it's not the short, cute locks anymore and it's not the long waist length locks, which is my ideal length. So I'm kind of getting bored with it. I was thinking about dyeing my hair, but I don't want to deal with the damage. So stay tuned because I think I'm going to try Miracle Locks on my locks and that will be fun. I just want something to kind of like switch it up for a little bit, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we're doing a very easy no retwist style.
I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit, oh God.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up.
And some freaking how I always end up with the incorrect amount of locks when I get to the front of my hair. And it's crazy because you guys off camera, I didn't show it, but I did one twist in the back because I could have sworn that I counted it out correctly the last time I braided my hair. But for some reason, it always ends up that I have the improper amount of hair to do a braid in the front. So I just ended up twisting that one regularly, like just a 2-strand twist, and then braiding the other section since I had 5 strands left. But it's all good. It will all just blend in anyway.
Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the 6. Look at what we did. Yeah. Be quiet, I'm doing a toast. For niggas that don't really do shit, I swear I be doing the most. Stop worrying about whoever's next. I am just worried about my mama worrying less. I think I'm famous enough. I don't need any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up.
And that's it. I will style this by wearing just like two pigtails, 2 space buns in a ponytail or just down. And yeah, this is just my go-to no retwist lock style. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for future lock videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm on my way to 2K subscribers. Thank you. Bye.